So in today's podcast, as you can see, we have a guest, and this podcast is all about Indian directors.
And everything that they have given us.
Yes. So let's just tune into the podcast.
So Divyank here actually is a director. And would you like to say something about yourself?
Hi, my name is Divyank. I'm an ad film director and I'm here to have fun.
We were thinking of this as a trump card thing, but of course, like it's not a binding rule, okay? Because like there's a good chance you'll pick up someone who you don't want to defend. So the idea is that you pick up all these are Bollywood directors. You pick one of the chicks and you try to defend that director. Bas. That is your sole aim.
Okay. No matter how I feel about it.
No matter how you feel, and it's
Nice.
okay. You can abandon ship. You can like cross over to another side. It's all fine.
I can get convinced.
Yes, exactly. And some people it'll be easier to get convinced over.
Yeah.
For sure. Everybody, please
Take
select
one.
a chick. I'm so excited. Okay, Divyank, who is your director?
It's Mr. Jugal Hansraj.
From the
He is
get-go,
the-
we have chosen
Yes.
Best.
the best.
Yes.
The best.
To those who don't know, yes, Jugal Hansraj is a person and he is also an actor and he has directed something called Roadside Romeo. If I'm not wrong, he's probably directed one more thing, but maybe not. But yeah, most of his work has been with Yash Raj films and I have to defend him. So killer hai yaar.
Killer है यार वो बहुत अच्छा है मतलब.
बहुत
So
है,
the
dude.
first time I saw Jugal Hansraj was in Masoom. Even I was Masoom. He was playing Masoom in it.
Yeah.
So you all had a lot in common.
Yeah.
We had a lot in common, and that's why I could always relate to his journey of just growing up. When I first saw Mohabbatein, it was during a phase where I used to feel kind of useless. But then I saw Jugal Hansraj. I was like,
And
ये
you're
भी
like,
useless.
oh my
तो
God, changed
साथ में
my
same
life.
एक
trajectory.
सेकंड उसमें जुगल हंसराज और उदय चोपड़ा था, by the way. Just
But
saying.
Jugal took the cake, man. Jugal took the cake. And with that cake...
Okay, so we have to actually talk about him as a director, though.
Yes,
Yeah.
but there's
That's
not
true.
much to talk about.
Oh!
Yes.
Pyar Impossible.
Pyar
Correct.
Impossible
Thanks,
was directed
Ashish.
by Jugal Hansraj, guys. I don't know if you've been... So, weirdly enough, Jugal Hansraj features a lot on Padaku Panda.
Yeah, he does, dude. He is
ये
just
चीट कौन बनाया? किसको है जुगल हंसराज से प्यार? कौन चाहता है कि वापस ट्रेंड हो?
So, yeah. So, he affected you a lot, huh?
Yeah. So प्यार इम्पॉसिबल तो याद है मेरे को. I didn't know it's done by Jugal Hansraj, but that was ambitious for him, for everyone
For
involved.
him.
Like for everyone involved.
Yeah.
I think तभी ऐसा उदय चोपड़ा and what's her name?
Priyanka Chopra Jonas.
No, there's Priyanka.
प्यार
Chopra.
इम्पॉसिबल है प्रियंका चोपड़ा. Yes.
Priyanka Chopra
अच्छा.
Jonas. He's
वो
thinking
एक और
about
है.
Neil and Nikki.
Oh yeah, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
That
I'm thinking
is
about Neil Nikki.
Tanisha Mukherjee.
Then I can't
That's,
defend Pyar Impossible.
It's also impossible.
But Jugal Hansraj, I think, quite a visionary guy, because both things that he did were kind of out of the box for when they came out, like an animated film about a dog. कोई guarantee नहीं है कि चलेगा. Not everyone will have the confidence to go to a production house and be like पैसा डालो ऐसे script में, which may or may not work, but I think is good, and to have the conviction to convince someone to put in so much money to get stars to
That is true, yeah.
do the voice acting. Even for Uday Chopra, ठीक है कितना भी हो, he likes to pretend like he's busy. For him to get on board to do...
No, not anymore. He's given up. Just go to his Twitter, dude. Just go to his Twitter. It's great
कुछ
now.
तो
He's
चला
already thinking about afterlife. He's like, इधर तो मैं हो क्या मेरा? आगे की सोचता हूँ.
Yeah. But
But I think, like, to a great extent, I am convinced.
Yeah, dude. Honestly, dude.
Is this shit? Jugal Hansraj ji, if you want to make another animated movie, we are available.
Yeah. 3 बिकने तो पक्का बिकेंगे. Tension मत लो तुम.
so for courage and for foresight,
And for मोहब्बतें.
yeah, for मोहब्बतें, because film चले ना चले तो फिर क्या ही है? Just because it didn't work, we're like, oh, it didn't work. But had one of his films worked, he would have probably done 10 more.
Yeah.
But good on you, Jugal Hansraj. Keep that Yash Raj game up. Be friends with the right people, and
I mean,
yeah,
he
ये cut करना.
I mean, he already is, so we don't have to worry about that.
Yeah.
I mean, if they do end up making that doggy कुछ कुछ होता है, maybe they can
कुछ ही होता है. Please.
They can take Jugal
yeah.
Hansraj on. All right, what is yours?
Okay. This is great. I'm so happy. I'm so happy with this shit. It's Abbas Mastan.
अब्बास भाई, मुस्तान भाई.
मेरे को डिफेंड करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. बात खत्म हो जाती है वहाँ पे.
I'm convinced. तुम ही हो. सनम मेरे हमराज.
हाँ, correct. बस.
Okay, no, I have things to say about Abbas Mastan. Okay, like particularly because as most of you know, if you all are following this podcast, I just watched Players, and I
Like
feel
just 20 minutes ago,
20
we got
minutes
over
ago,
it.
I was complaining about it. So like, I want to just discuss so Abbas Mastan has this habit, okay, कि fix it and post बहुत ज़्यादा है उनका.
हाँ.
ठीक है, and I don't agree with that.
Why? See, okay.
मेरा काम बढ़ता है ना, people like me. Okay, that is one thing. ठीक है, people like me, मेरा काम बढ़ता है, for sure. But then it doesn't even look good. You know what I mean? Like, okay, there's this one shot in Players where see, now I am just saying this because from a director's perspective, I don't think there was any use of that shot. The shot needn't have been there. Okay, they could have easily avoided this horrible mess of a thing. So Neel Nitin Mukesh is standing in the balcony of his mansion. Okay, and he says something like ha 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 milte hai or something, because he's he's listening in on a conversation that he's not supposed to be listening in.
Okay.
So he knows what's going on. Okay. So he's standing in the balcony of his mansion wearing full black leather. Okay. And his mansion is like white with like gold things on it. Clearly not real.
Got
like
it.
He's not in a mansion actually.
Okay.
But then for some reason they zoomed out, and that Neel Nitin Mukesh was like the size of a French window in that. So all I'm saying is कि I feel like, and this is not just one, like एक उल्टा एक ऐसे नहीं है कि, you know, there are a lot of shots which I feel like can easily be overlooked. You didn't need to put that in there. You know what I mean? Like क्यों? So this is one of the biggest problems I have with Abbas Mastan. And this is recurring. It's there in all their movies. Like ऐसे 25 years के बाद भी Abbas Mastan movie बनाएगा ना, they will make a race only, but it's different, little bit.
हाँ.
They'll make race 25. But okay, coming to the
इम्तियाज अली भी करता है, एक ही फिल्म बनाता है.
हाँ, वो बात भी सही है. But coming to the point of
I have the same problem with Imtiaz Ali also.
Most of the things done in post. So I don't know how many of you all know this, but Abbas Mastan have a third brother. Okay.
Oh.
And Abbas Mastan ka third brother, I forgot his name.
Juicy Hussain Burma wala.
Hussain Burma wala, and he is the editor. ठीक है,
Oh.
तो फैमिली बिजनेस चला रहा
अरे
है अच्छे से.
ऐसे ठीक से बता रहा. How did Abbas Mastan had an uncle who was an editor. So when they got interested in movie direction, they went to their uncle who said पहले editing करना सीखो, उसके बाद direction करो.
Correct. Yeah, that was
और वो सीखने के बाद भी वो गंदे वाले शॉट डाल रहे हैं अंदर. मतलब that doesn't make any sense to me.
Okay, so here's my theory for Abbas Mastan doing what they're doing. They want to make films that the common public thinks I can also do. Because wait, there is more to this theory. What kind of content does good on social media? It is content that is poorly produced that people think I can also make.
Clearly why Padaku Panda doesn't have more followers.
That's true.
If you are watching this and you're not subscribed, this is your moment. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you haven't hit it already. Okay.
Yeah. So Abbas Mastan are just keeping up with the time. Also tell me, बादशाह और बाजीगर में कौन सा extended sequence था जो नहीं required था वहाँ पे?
Oh my God. Okay, Badshah. I love that movie. My heart
It's
goes
amazing,
out to
dude.
it, okay, but it's no thanks to Abbas Mastan. Like that's what I feel. I feel like if any other director had directed that movie,
Okay.
the storyline and the way 90s films worked, it would not have changed very much, because I feel like Abbas Mastan have come into their own like style wise and all recently. Correct. So Badshah is not a good example of an Abbas Mastan film.
I feel they've got a signature style, yeah. The fact
100%.
that you can tell an Abbas Mastan, okay, it might have evolved over the years, but they've got a certain quality. Jaisa, if you take for example even Rohit Shetty. A lot of people will contest that it's just Fast and the Furious vibe, it's only
Correct,
set pieces,
Serious
action
है.
and just to draw in the masses. But ये करने के लिए भी, to do it successfully, so what you feel is unnecessary as a shot. There might be so many reasons they've put it in there. अभी वो 70 mm के स्क्रीन पे फिल्म चलाएंगे और इसको दिखाना है कि भाई ये आलीशान है, whatever, I don't know the shot. But there must be some reason.
Yeah, some reason.
And maybe it's scale. When they spend money on VFX or whatever, it's badly done is a separate question altogether. So to find the voice, like जैसा रोहित शेट्टी को आप नहीं कह सकते कि उसको फिल्म मेकिंग, like if you see his earlier work like Sunday or even Zameen, brilliant work.
Yeah.
मतलब great in craft, great in terms of all things. तो अब्बास मुस्तान का अगर आप बाजीगर देखें तो उनका क्राफ्ट का कंट्रोल आपको दिख जाता है. Like you can tell that because for me I was बाजीगर I've seen 100 times I think. Growing up रोज ETV पे लगता था
100%
every Sunday. चंद्रकांता के बाद कभी तो लगता था.
Correct.
एंड ब्रेकफास्ट करते करते बाजीगर देखने का एंड हर बार सोचने का कि यार ये तो मर गया था पिछले संडे.
वापस कैसे आया?
अगले संडे फिर से मदन चोपड़ा को मारेगा.
नहीं सही बात है यार.
बट फॉर अ चाइल्ड टू फील दैट और to be able to watch that film every Sunday and still be invested, still laugh every time you see Johnny Lever go he with the chai scene.
Iconic scene dude. Iconic.
तो अगर कुछ याद है तुमको या फिर तुमको अच्छा भी लगा है बुरा भी लगा है तो क्राफ्ट है.
अरे for that matter race 1 not 2 and 3. 2 and 3 को चलो भूल जाओ. Race 1 what you have already problems with the expression. Dude, race 1 I didn't see the twist coming very honestly. मेरे को नहीं
because that was when Abbas Mustan started changing for this plot twisty thing.
No, उसके पहले हमराज
also यार.
Fair enough. But
Naqab, does anyone remember
Naqab? Yes.
Naqab also, yes.
See, the thing is that I feel like okay, Race was there like the one that became way too popular.
Yeah.
Like because it had Saif Ali Khan and you know all the big shots in it.
Akshay Khanna, big shot, okay.
Akshay Khanna is a big shot, okay? He's Vinod Khanna's
Yeah, I
son.
really like him, dude. I really like Akshay Khanna.
Yeah, so there's nothing to say. I love Race. I still say I love Abbas Mustan films because I'm always watching it to the end.
100%.
Like, and I feel like, but their evolution is not something I overtly agree with. It's just what I'm saying. Like, I feel like Bazigar, Badshah was just such different films that I wish that would be what they were still doing. Like, they probably wouldn't be relevant. But
yeah, exactly. I don't think it would work. I don't think a Bazigar or Badshah
but
releasing
see,
right
that's the
now
thing.
would
Like,
work.
they are the people who have introduced this whole like thing in India. This Hamraz, Naqab, all these films where suddenly there's a twist and then suddenly there's a twist and then suddenly and the last second there's a twist happening in the
But
movie.
yeah, see, but that I feel happens with a lot of directors where they do it for so long, they sort of become a parody of themselves. Like players में इतने ज़्यादा twist है, like इतने ज़्यादा
I
है.
had to stop watching that movie and come back to it.
Like one is okay, one is you build it up, and then you give the twist. अरे हर दो scene में twist नहीं, that I agree.
Gaddari.
Yeah,
and
because
coming back.
So if like they would have evolved the way you probably have in mind or to satisfy your trajectory of the revolution, वो लोग Inception type कुछ बना लेते.
Yeah, that's what
maybe.
I think.
But,
Who knows?
who
Abbas
knows?
Mustan could be Christopher Nolan.
But ticket नहीं, like it's a thing. But they tried. Like I'm sure their intention was always to make a killer film.
Yeah.
Just they forgot what a killer film looks like sometimes, but it's okay.
So I guess we are all on the fence. We are all on the fence
On
with
the fence.
Abbas
Mustan,
Mustan.
yeah.
You know, like, chal theek hai.
No, I think Abbas by Mustan by rocks. Thanks for giving us Bobby Deol over the years.
Arey,
Again and
for
again.
sure,
Soldier
for
किया
sure.
यार.
For
Yeah.
Soldier direct क्या movie है वो?
Bobby Deol. अरे नकाब.
Naqab also,
was
yes.
only for Bobby Deol.
Yeah.
मतलब
100%.
100%,
PR
yeah.
film for Bobby Deol. So the guy who I got is Sanjay Leela Bansali, and I feel like okay, I have a lot of good things to say about Sanjay Leela Bansali, so I'll just put my things across first. Like I feel like that guy has very good vision. Like he knows what he wants his film to be, and और वो easily दिखता है कि उसको यही चाहिए था और यही मिला है उसको. Like many people I remember when Devdas had come out, everybody was like why they needed to wear such heavy saris and why they needed to spend so much money on this. But that dude has such a clear vision when it comes to art direction, especially that his final product is always like a lot of oomph in the final product, which I feel like is his biggest selling point in my opinion. Because Sanjay Leela Bansali like has become like even Sam was telling me कि if you go to a lighting guy in Bombay and you say Sanjay Leela Bansali दिखना चाहिए, he will know immediately what you want.
What style is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like he will know immediately कि chandelier चाहिए ये
Premium एकदम महंगा.
So even with small budget they'll try to do like nice lighting like ambience and whatever. So like I feel like that is a very big deal for somebody like a Indian film director, and I feel like that's my case for Sanjay Leela Bansali ki I really love his art direction. and even his earlier films, dude, Khamoshi, 1942 Love Story, कितने अच्छे film थे. Like, you know, with minimal stuff also he can make it work. With more stuff also he can make it work, which is just I guess a thing of his vision. It's just okay, मैं director हूँ, I want the movie to look like this. I might not give a fuck about story sometimes, but it's okay.
At least it looks pretty. Like,
Exactly.
It does that.
And it's that only, like, why people went to watch Padmavat apart from the controversy.
Yeah, oh, the thappad. The thappad and the religion. Oh, yeah.
No, Padmavat का story को लेके था ना. They apparently said that he didn't portray the story correctly, which he didn't. The story is.
But that's what I'm saying. Ki, like
Nuts.
everybody, like I to agree with art for art's sake, because like he's not trying to make a biopic. He's not. He never said कि ये biopic है. So I don't see why he can't make like whatever.
But I
Little
don't know.
tricky.
Like, huh?
It's a little tricky when you do something with history and historical figures.
Yeah, of course.
always.
वो भी ऐसा
Like
country में तो-
a good way around this probably would be just change the names and don't make it like
Which
so
he did,
obviously one
finally.
thing. Yeah. Which way
I drop किया ना.
That's
Padmavati
it.
का Padmavati.
And then suddenly people were okay with it.
They're talking about someone else. Oh, neighboring.
मतलब it-
But see what I mean? If he would have made it Padmavat to start with, do you think people would have been so
yeah, then he would add the I, and
Yeah.
people will be okay with it.
Correct.
Yeah, just ड्रामा करने वाले करेंगे ही, बात खत्म.
Yeah, true.
But yeah, if you guys have anything to say against Sanjay Leela Bhansali, I am ready.
Against तो मतलब I feel Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Your argument for Abbas Mustan, I would apply to Sanjay Leela Bhansali because gift. I feel Sanjay Leela Bhansali is a gift to Indian cinema. Just the fact that in all the खामोशी बनाया उसने drop out हो गया था FTI से. I think that's known. Again, the gumption to have that kind of a script, to cast Salman, Manisha Koirala, have Nana Patekar play a deaf and mute guy and kill it. Like
Yeah,
kill it
yeah.
मतलब क्या vision, you know, take you with him. उसके बाद से लेके I think I like his work until Savaria. Like I feel Black was whatever. Savaria was still him trying to do art. you
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
But उसके बाद में somehow I feel there is a very stark difference in his work starting especially from no गुजारिश भी अच्छा था. I like गुजारिश also. Very nicely done.
So you're saying कि after Guzarish, he hasn't done anything worthwhile.
Like I feel because पैसे नहीं बन रहे थे, गुजारिश चली नहीं. Also like you said scale है, पैसा सस्ता फिल्म तो बनाएगा नहीं वो.
Correct.
तो अगर खर्चा कर रहे हो तो like whatever you have to give back returns. And then from Ram Leela just formula. He's not I don't
Exactly,
think it's
exactly.
artistic work starting Ram Leela. After that it's just factory में से जैसे जूते बनते हैं.
वैसे same almost same movie बन रहा है. Correct.
Yeah, this is going to work, this is going to work. And 3 film का बना दो, whatever, Padmavat, XYZ. And looking forward to Gangubai Kathiawadi,
Yeah,
hoping that
same.
he's killed it
Yeah.
again this time, done something for, because it's a waste. I feel it's a waste what he's been
Capable of and what he's been
Doing.
doing.
yeah, he's pandering to the
I can see that, but at the same time, like it's kind of the same thing that happened with Abbas Mustan.
Yeah, same
because
thing.
like it feels like once a director algorithmizes how shit works with him, like, वो without thinking वही करता रहेगा. Like I feel like even if say he is thinking about this, like he is being like ये चल रहा है, commercially successful है तो मैं यही करेगा. But automatically even your brain starts functioning like that, no? Because like I'm making this film obviously to be a commercial success at this point.
yeah.
Because I am a famous enough name. If people go to watch my film, they should be given what they are expecting.
Correct.
Also I feel what's detrimental to the like अभी अगर संजय लीला बंसाली को सिर्फ पैसे मिलते तो बात अलग थी. अवार्ड्स भी मिल रहे हैं यार.
हाँ, recognition भी मिल रहा है. Correct.
तुमको अगर क्रिटिकल अक्लेम तुम्हारे बेस्ट वर्क के लिए नहीं मिलता है या मिले भी जो भी है, बट यू गेट लॉर्डेड फॉर समथिंग दैट 100% you know is mediocre. Like he is capable of killing it on such another level. But इसके लिए अगर आपको तवज्जो मिल रहा है, like whatever you're getting awards, then you're like, hey man, you know मेरा audience enjoys eating biscuits, तो मैं उनको caviar क्यों खिलाऊं?
Correct. Yeah. The one person who I feel genuinely had become his parody from like giving us absolute gems is Ram Gopal Verma. Like रंगीला
It's a
मेरे को
tragedy. It's a tragedy.
रंगीला मेरे को बाय
I miss
हार्ट है. सत्या मेरे को बाय
Ram
हार्ट
Gopal
है.
Verma, where are you? I know you're inside there somewhere.
He's inside. Yeah.
Madhu, I'm looking straight at Madhu also, so it's fine.
So what's your favorite Ram Gopal Verma film?
I think I have two, Rangila and Satya. Like when it comes to gangster, I feel Satya is the freaking best. It is just too good. And Rangila was something very different from him. Like, so मैं chronologically नहीं देखा. Rangila came first, then Satya came, right? So, but I saw Satya first, and then I saw Company and all of that, and I'm like, ये बंदा तो यही करता है. And then I saw Rangila. And I'm like, oh shit, the range, dude. It's nuts.
Yeah.
Like, and then I was very young, I was very fattu, so I went to see Booth. मैं थिएटर से भाग के आ गया dude. मेरा फट गया था Booth में, and not like it may be a scary, वो jump scares of Booth
Yeah.
was so good, and Urmila Matondkar, that was so good, yeah.
Yeah.
In Booth she was so good. ये सब देने के बाद then he does whatever he's doing now.
Aag, the last one, Ram Gopal Verma ki Aag. Acha, so like honestly, I feel like my favorite Ram Gopal Verma film has been Con.
She said Aag.
She said,
I said that by accident.
देखो आ गया, it's
You
on
guys,
record now.
you
It's
guys,
on.
I was
Subtitles
shitting
में
on. I was shitting on.
Subtitles में आग डाल.
I said Aag by accident.
आग.
Okay, I like Aag. What do you do?
Yeah, so
Con. I feel like it was definitely. I was going through a phase at the time when I actually saw that movie where I was broke and I was like कैसे करेगा मैं artist गिरी कैसे करेगा and all that. And then Con he made like in one house with 3 actors. So like in general how he made Con happen was very intriguing to me, and I feel like it was a good movie. Like, okay, it also came out at the time where this concept of the major plot twist in the end it was quite new. Like, it wasn't like you would expect it coming from really far away. So,
Sixth Sense.
yeah, it was like, around in that bracket only when Sixth Sense and stuff was working. So I feel like Con really affected me in a nice way. Like, थोड़े से भी ज़्यादा कर
हुआ तो
सकते.
भी चलता है.
Yeah.
You can have guests over and murder them. But I think Con ऐसा कहते हैं, पता नहीं क्या. Great film. I love Con, but written by Anurag Kashyap and most probably ghost directed by him also. So
okay.
like whenever
So
I
I
think
actually like Anurag Kashyap and not
Ram Gopal Verma.
one doesn't.
No, but you do
according
like
to
Aag,
the-
dude. It's fine.
According to the grapevine, you like Anurag Kashyap, but one doesn't. On paper, you like Ram
according
Gopal.
to this podcast, I like Aag, so it's fine. I feel like Ram Gopal Verma ka best thing I feel like is how he portrays certain characters. Like एक character को बहुत ही बड़ा like he makes, and he's very good at doing that somehow. कि this person larger than life. I don't know if you've seen Jungle.
No, I
Yeah.
haven't.
Okay, so in Jungle, Sushant Singh is the villain, and in that, like, he's like a Veerappan kind of character, where they're running like bandits in a jungle, and they take a bunch of people hostage, and like they hold them hostage in return for stuff and whatever. So Sushant Singh is like the villain, and the way they portrayed him, like particularly him, I feel like he had a vision for that. Like he has a vision for certain characters, and it really comes out in his films. Like even the bad films that he's done, like dude, he did that like proper masala movie Mast, where he introduced Aftab Shivdasani.
Yeah, he did Mast also.
But Aftab Shivdasani को ऐसे अच्छे से portray किया उसने, which really brings out his character depiction for me. Like, so clearly none of us need to defend against anything.
Ram Gopal Verma is also a mixed bag. It's like कभी अच्छा फ्लेवर आया, कभी खाते रहने का. So इम्तियाज अली
just addressed a while ago by
कि
same movie बना था.
Same movie बनाता है. हाँ, same movie बनाता है.
But he has to defend.
Yeah, now he has to defend. अभी U-turn मार के आना पड़ेगा.
तो इधर ही है U-turn. मस्त डायरेक्टर है यार.
मिल गया.
Like I feel Imtiaz Ali has also painted a generation. Like he's given us a style of films that was earlier not there. Like जब भी मैं की बात करो, like Sochanatha wasn't that popular, but it had that flavor, and you can see Sochanatha में like I remember seeing it and I didn't know anything about filmmaking, but मैं देख के सोचा ये तो अजीब लग रहा है, because this jump cuts, it's like made very haphazardly. जब भी मैं very nice, मतलब ऐसा kill किया, set a trend, etc etc. उसके बाद में I think the only Imtiaz Ali film I've liked is Rockstar.
Yeah.
A
Rockstar
lot
is
of
good.
people.
That did do a little deviation for
Sorry,
him.
defend करने का यार, sorry मैं तो मस्त
The
Rockstar.
only movie I liked was
Rockstar क्या मस्त फिल्म है. Your protagonist to be so dark, an anti-hero, and plus throw in the origin story, ups, downs, everything.
Yeah.
Like it's not just a, like it's a Rockstar story, of course, but it's not your Ashiki 2 kind of a space where you just show what's that film यार, Star is Born. वो space में नहीं है. Like this, I think it was brave again for Ranbir to do it, for Imtiaz Ali, everyone. Very, you can see उसका artistic voice in Rockstar, which I feel he तमाशा भी बहुत लोगों को पसंद है. अभी मैं डिफेंड कर रहा हूँ इसलिए मैं उनके बातें बताऊंगा.
Tamasha is a very bad movie. I did not like it at all.
Personally, I have issues with it, but
Ashish loved Tamasha, so Ashish.
execution craft killer, like Tamasha, very nicely done. आशीष कुछ बताना और पॉइंट्स.
He has to defend Imtiaz Ali.
हैरी मेट सेजल के बाद में क्या बोलूं.
Yeah, dude.
Dude,
But
Harry Met
Aaron Sejal
Sejal.
was oof.
See, I
बहुत
think
बुरा था वो.
for me, Imtiaz Ali, given how much he has killed it versus how many times he's missed the mark by a very wide margin, I think मतलब दो ही फिल्म देता तो भी चलता.
जैसे RGB सत्या और रंगीला करके छोड़ देता तो भी चलता था.
हाँ, हाँ.
Yeah,
It's like that.
cut
And then
करना.
he would have just stayed in Telugu film. It would have been good
Yeah.
for him, I guess. But yeah, I feel like Socha Na Tha Na, you shouldn't count on me as an Imtiaz Ali film. Why? Because like I feel like, you know, हमें जब like especially in this industry, like the film industry, like something you hear by the grapevine something, and then you're like, oh, I should prepare a screenplay for this person because he's looking for something like this. Socha Na Tha was kind of made like that because Sunny Deol was looking for a script to launch Abhay Deol.
Oh.
So ऐसे करके they had like scrambled to make that movie, and I feel like वो दिखता है वो फिल्म में कि ऐसे बनाया है. And so in Imtiaz Ali's defense.
Oh, okay. Someone standing up for it. Good. Chit को ऐसा like this chit towards you.
So in Imtiaz Ali's defense, I feel like Socha Na Tha was definitely not his prime. You know, like it was something he got into the industry with. But it was definitely not up there. Like everyone agrees.
वो तो पहला फिल्म है. पहले फिल्म को तो आप like Nolan तो got lucky. Like that's what I feel कि पहले फिल्म में तो फिल्म बनाना उन्हीं is a thing कि बनाने मिल गया. उसमें अगर आपको सब resources भी मिल जाए और even with limited resources अगर आप kill कर दो, then it's just things that are not in your control which make something work. ऐसा मेरे को लगता है. For anything, of course, even if you have all the resources, end product तो आपके हाथ में नहीं है. But still, for like something for a director to be like Damien Chazelle or someone who just comes right out of the gate and kills it,
yeah.
or like Shyamalan. So with Sixth Sense, Kill, उसके बाद में क्या किया यार? Last Airbender बना, Village बना रहा है. मतलब तो it's not like, and for Imtiaz Ali, right out of the gate, patchwork film, but kill किया उसने. So first film तो आप but good film, you know, ऐसा judge नहीं.
It's good only,
like,
but
no,
पैचक था पर ठीक है.
I'm saying
सोचा ना था बहुत सोचा.
सोचा ना था, you don't have like
Actually सोचा
it's
ना था.
already, it defends itself by virtue of being his first film, you know.
चलो Imtiaz Ali, I guess again, I love how on the fence we are about all these directors.
Yeah, dude.
This is India's creme de la creme of directors, by the way.
हाँ, मतलब इसमें कुछ controversial नाम तो दिख ही नहीं रहा. Controversial नहीं, मतलब ऐसा.
I haven't put one of those like indie film directors in this whatever because we know that we all will defend them.
Yeah, no, but someone really hard to defend, no?
Jugal
Like
Hansraj was hard to defend.
Boy,
Okay?
dude, definitely hard to defend,
You
man.
managed to convince
Yeah,
us
dude.
about Jugal Hansraj.
जुगल
क्योंकि मुझे दर्द पता है कि
इलक साले बनाने मिला तो वो मना कितना मुश्किल है. बकवास शिट कर रहे हो उस पे. नॉनसेंस.
yeah, like see, it's easier to defend a Jugal Hansraj than an Imtiaz Ali because expectations are set so high.
got
Like,
it,
अगर
yeah.
इम्तियाज अली ने
That's-
सिर्फ हैरी मेट सेजल और कुछ एक दो और कौन सा डट्स बनाए हैं,
काफी good
हाँ
films
वो सब बना था, तो या फिर अब्बास मस्तान ने बाजीगर नहीं बनाया होता तो फिर क्या ही
You
होता
won't have anything to look at.
Yeah,
like,
that's
for sure. Nothing to judge them by. Correct. You wouldn't be in this list.
Yeah,
probably.
true.
But yeah.
Hmm.
Alright. Okay, who's your favorite director, Chal? Let's go and.
Let's go that tangent.
My favorite director, I like काफी लोगों का काम यार. Like I don't know. I haven't thought of it in a while. Like earlier I used to be like, oh अच्छा ये director का काम अच्छा है. और up until so the last director I was really impressed by was this French Canadian guy called Xavier Dolan. He made a film called Mommy and तभी वो 25 साल का था, मैं भी 25 साल का था, and I saw what he had done, just like brilliant piece of craft. But since then, like once you start going through the process over and over again, you realize that it's just more than anything how something turns out is the thing itself. So अगर so you can't, and no one sets out to make कि अरे आज तो fuck up करूँगा यार, you know.
It's very dude वो बहुत मुश्किल होता
How much you would hate your production house if you wanted.
है भाई इनका सब पैसा डुबाने वाला है.
तो मेरे को तो अब सभी अच्छे लगते हैं. Like you know, there was a time when I wouldn't go and watch a Simba in theaters just because यार क्या है, you know, वो सिनेमा की तौहीन या फिर you get so much money and resources and you waste it on a script like this. Now I appreciate a Simba and what it does and the courage it takes to pull something like that off. Like look at Ranveer Singh. वो Simba करता है, उसी साल में गली बॉय करता है.
Yeah.
And both are very good films. Like I think for what, like चलो पीछे फ्लेयर वेयर है, माइकल बे बनने का है, सबको सब ठीक है, बट दे नो व्हाट दे आर डूइंग. तो मेरे को तो अब सब अच्छे लगते हैं. Like I don't have a favorite director.
Now you've started commending the effort.
The effort.
Rather than just like.
Yeah.
Rather than just like this person who went with a vision and got exactly what he wanted.
Dude, I like
Yeah,
you
because
said,
output तो is out of hand.
like you said courage dude. Like रोहित शेट्टी को इतना लोग गाली दे रहे हैं, like नहीं मैं यही बनाएगा, मेरे को बनाने का, तुम लोग को क्या जाता है?
पैसा बना रहे हैं.
पैसा भी बना रहा है,
रोहित शेट्टी
मैं
की
तो
film
यही
सबको
बनाएगा,
पसंद है
बस
by
बात
the way.
खत्म. अरे I enjoyed cinema, theater में जाके देखा मैं.
Most of the people
Yeah,
don't
similar.
have any problem with Rohit
No.
Shetty films. Like, I don't
नहीं ऐसा लोग जाके देख के मजा भी करेंगे, ऐसा पीछे आके गाली भी देंगे. Like what nonsense.
Yeah.
And Rohit Shetty knows his craft. Yeah, from what I've heard, they shoot all the scenes a day beforehand. So let's say you're shooting today, आज का सीन खत्म करेगा, कल का लोकेशन पे जाएगा, असिस्टेंट्स के साथ फोन पे पूरा सी एक्शन है तो एक्शन विद द रिग्स सब
Oh,
शूट
nice.
करेगा.
So he technically storyboards the entire thing one day before.
One day.
Like,
No, he shoots the
Previous
entire thing.
shoots, हाँ.
वो काटता है, वो असिस्टेंट्स के साथ शूट करके सीन काटता है, सुबह एक्टर्स को दिखाता है ये करने का है, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द एडिट.
That's good, na?
That's
Because
actually
the
so good.
actors also understand कि क्या चल रहा है. That's a very good.
हाँ,
Practice है.
Wow, everyone should do this.
तो
Wow.
मतलब फिल्में कैसी भी हो, लोग अच्छे होते हैं.
Okay, yeah, I got Zoya Akhtar.
Yeah, good, easy.
EJ, what EJ है? Female empowerment. She's one of the only female directors out there. I don't think like, you know, the famous ones, of course. Like Meera Nair वगैरह तो है ही, but they've been in the space for much longer than she has. Even though she has been AD on many older films like Dil Chahta and all. But I feel like
Wasn't she casting director in Dil Chahta, not AD?
अच्छा, I thought she was AD.
No, she was
casting director. तो anyway, Farhan Akhtar was AD, wasn't he?
Yeah, I'm guessing.
हाँ.
इन दिल चाहता है तो डायरेक्टर ना.
Dil Chahta फरहान अख्तर director.
Director. My bad. He was not AD, he was director.
Director.
Okay, yeah. So I feel like Zoya Akhtar definitely has her own genre film, like Rohit Shetty and like, you know, matlab, if you see a Zoya Akhtar film, you'll know it's a Zoya Akhtar film, like definitely. I feel like Dil Dhadakne Do was my least favorite, even though I'm defending her from what she has come up with in the recent past.
Dil Dhadakne तो I don't know, time pass है dude. Like that's only I could.
I feel like she tried to do that thing where she had like boundaries, you know, like ship पे ही सब होना है, all the drama has to happen on the ship, so everybody who comes here has to be part of the drama type thing. You know, like I understand what she was thinking, like the giant premise of it, कि two people who are having a very bad marriage have a giant anniversary party, and now everybody is holed in with each other in this, so they have to face their family trouble and all that. I understand कि वो क्या था, पर वो क्या बना, I was not very convinced, even though again I'm defending Zoya Akhtar. I feel like she's capable of making a better Dil Dhadakne Do, is what I'm saying. But yeah, which is your Zoya Akhtar film? Your favorite Zoya Akhtar film?
I don't really know. See, it's not like I dislike her films. They're good, but I wouldn't say one of them is like my favorite and I'll keep watching it over and over and all that.
Fair enough.
Like I honestly feel Gully Boy like Dil Dhadkne Do could have been better.
But I like Zoe Akhtar's work. Yeah. I think she's a voice of reason. Like she's one of the reasons why someone can feel like अच्छी फिल्में भी चल जाती हैं.
You know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Or
I can see that.
like Luck by Chance.
Luck by
great.
Chance.
Great
was
film. That's not looking down.
Luck by Chance was not.
Luck by Chance was very good.
Luck by Chance is with you. You know,
Yeah.
you're with Farhan, you're with his struggles. Gully Boy, I can understand why it probably feels like looking down because the disparity is shown so clearly in that. Like that's the idea, for you to feel like you're looking down on the guy. No?
Okay, I don't think that's how that movie was made. But,
No, but
if that is how that movie was made, yeah, it worked.
Then it worked.
Yeah, because that's what the film is about, no? Like uske current situation versus the situation he wants to be in. Like when he's driving that lady around. It's just सीधा और क्या वो गाना भी कुछ वैसा ही है ना, कितना दूरी है हम दोनों में, ऐसा कुछ तो है ना. So like कैमरा भी ऐसा like उसके साथ है, मूव करता है. All that is, I feel कि for you to feel, look at this or you know, I think it's a choice. The fact that you feel that she's giving you an outsider's perspective or kind of looking, you feel like it's being looked down upon is because it's not your life. In the sense,
The target audience was someone else. I mean,
yeah. Correct. So the target audience is you and me. But I'm not.
We are not from that basti.
Correct.
We see the basti from our homes.
Yeah.
That perspective you're saying.
And you are still more privileged than that guy.
Got it.
Even though you might relate to his story, शायद आपको इतना restrictions नहीं face करना पड़ता है. That's why it looks like you're looking down, because you are looking down. If your conditions at home were the same as the guy portrayed in the film, you would feel like ये reality दिखाया है.
Correct.
But आप नीचे देख रहे हैं, इसलिए आपको उसने तो दिखाया है बस. That's what I feel.
Acha, no, I'm not convinced about that, because I do think that she has not thought of it this way. Like if I don't know how she. Of course, we don't know how what her intention was. But ये थोड़ा वो English literature जैसा हो गया है, no? Shakespeare did not mean this while writing, but we are deducing things from it. But that's what that like.
Might be.
It feels.
But yeah, if that's what she has said, like, yeah, it's very successful.
Like in the sense, if you're feeling something, means that's what the film is doing.
मतलब that is what you have taken away from this film. कि
हाँ मतलब
open-ended, fully open-ended.
Not open-ended. I feel like she has just portrayed it as real as she could.
Okay.
She went in there. Now, if you feel she's looking down, is because you're distant from what the reality that she's showing. But someone who lives there or someone whose life it is won't feel like she's looking down. ऐसा मेरे को लगता है.
No, but we have met a lot of these guys from the streets who did not like Gully Boy.
Who didn't like
Yeah, but they felt like she's looking down.
Yeah.
They felt like it was not a good portrayal of them. Like
So we actually spoke about it. They're like, so in their heads, right? Which I also agree with. They're like, if you're saying it's loosely inspired by Nazi and Divine, the lens shift क्यों कर रहे हो फिर? अगर आप claim कर रहे हो कि मैं इनको consult करके मैं movie बना रही हूँ, so the lens should be their lens, no? Like the perspective should be their perspective. It shouldn't be an upper class person's perspective looking into a basti.
Okay, like
नहीं.
upper class person's perspective कब लगता है? Like because for me, I've seen it only once. I've seen it in the theaters. For me, it felt like you're with him the whole time. You're with him. Whatever he's feeling is being portrayed. तो looking down वाला lens, just because it's not directly उसको Divine या Nazi का same story या वैसा रख के नहीं होता है.
It's not that. Like for want of a better way to explain it, I think they felt like उसको बहुत ज़्यादा बेचारा दिखाया.
Yeah.
Like they are kind of tired of everybody portraying them like that.
Yeah.
Because ऐसे तो नहीं है कि you know Divine का life तो इतना you know like that's what they are saying.
Yeah, but docu नहीं है ना.
हाँ, but that's what ना वो थोड़ा उसका perspective भी आ गया ना जोया अख्तर का. Like that what they are trying to say is कि we did not enjoy watching our story being portrayed like this.
Okay. I'll
Like
defend her
Slumdog
little bit.
Millionaire.
Okay.
Like, you know, why you don't, as an Indian, don't like watching Slumdog Millionaire? Is one of the things is that ये क्या दिखाया है? Even though, you know, he was definitely inspired by how RGV portrays things and how, you know, like, वो दिख रहा है, उसके inspiration दिख रहे हैं Danny Boyle के. But फिर भी people have that opinion about Slumdog Millionaire. So it's kind of like that, like for want of a better way of explaining. I'm no spokesperson for these people, but
Yeah,
still,
I feel like अगर फिल्म है for someone to feel कि oh shit this character is in deep shit, आपको उसको ड्रामेटाइज करना है, इंटेंसिफाई करना है. अगर आपको रोना नहीं आता है, ठीक है, आपके you get slapped at home and तुमको 2 ही थप्पड़ पड़ते हैं, पर फिल्म में दिखाया 10 झापड़ पड़ते हैं. क्योंकि उसके बाद में अगर वो कैरेक्टर समझे रोए भी ना पर बैठा है, फॉर यू टू फील लाइक फक इसको रोना आ रहा है, 2 झापड़ के बाद मे बी यूल, बट 10 झापड़ के बाद यूल नो ये रोना लाइक इट्स दैट, दोस आर दीस थिंग्स.
it's just intensifying everything, like exaggerating everything for the screen. That's
But the problem
for story, for the sake of story.
But the problem they have is they are saying हम बेचारे नहीं है
तो ना हो,
दिखाओ ही मत वैसा.
तो उनका like it's like I'm saying look at Gully Boy, forget the hype around it, forget the scene, look at it as a film, look at it as a story.
Correct.
And see what it is. It's someone who's in trouble or wants something, feels shackled, fights the circumstances around him, and like basically any story structure. तो story बताए protagonist को, आप protagonist देखो. If you look at the social scene around it, 4 लोग बोलेंगे कि चलो भाई हमारा तो इतना बुरा सीन नहीं है. If you ask someone like someone who's a little more privileged, who doesn't stay in the gully but is in the rap scene, but if you ask someone like an MC Heem, shout out MC Heem, please don't, but MC Heem तो ने बहुत मेहनत की है, उसने बहुत बुरे दिन देखे हैं, उसने फाइट भी बहुत मारा है. नेजी ने भी काफी फाइट मारा है यार. नेजी तो फिल्म के अमाउंट फाइट मारा है. तो अभी सबका कलेक्टिव फाइट है और आपको लोगों को फील कराना है कि फाइट है. हमारा इतना मुश्किल लाइफ नहीं है तो उसका मत दिखाओ मुश्किल लाइफ. People wouldn't care.
Yeah.
No, I 100% agree. This is the same thing that I would say about Sanjay Leela Bhansali, you know, art for art's sake. Like, I understand कि उसने फिल्म में क्यों ऐसे, you know, लिया है, whatever. But yeah, I was just concerned कि the people who this film is about are like, this is not us, you know. But yeah, dude, thanks for lending your 2 cents to this table, which was actually needed. Like,
जो कुछ controversial है, please सब काट देना. Can't quote me on this. Anything that is said here in the future, ये बस take it whatever with.
मैं disclaimer डाल देगा.
I'm drugged. इन्होंने मुझे यहाँ जबरदस्ती स्क्रिप्ट देके.
And now suddenly AK versus AK starts.
टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर थोड़ा पास करो ना.
This is not true. Padhaku Panda is not scripted.
There's a reason it's called Padhaku Panda.
The only thing Padhaku about is reading from a teleprompter. All right then. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this. If you have any opinions about Indian directors, or if you like somebody who we haven't mentioned, you know, like Mani Ratnam and all, a lot of people who we did not talk about. Just put in the comments. We would love to hear what you have to say.
Yes.
And we make new episodes every Friday.
And small bits of content throughout the week, so tune in.